Okay, to open up SPSS, it's under IBM SPSS. It takes a while to load because it's a very big program. And we'll be using version 26, but older versions are fine. It's going to open up this screen. We're just going to close that. And here we have our data view. You'll notice there are two screens right here. There's going to be a data view and a variable view. The data view can only hold numbers. The variable view is where you can write in not only the names of your variables, but some further information from them. So I'm going to go to variable view and start there. The first variable will always be your subject number. I just put SS for short. My next variable, it can be whatever's in your assignment, but I'm just going to put in gender. And then my next variable, I'll put score 1 and score 2. Gender, as you recall, is nominal, so we're going to let the system know that by coming over here to measure. My score 1 and score 2, I'm going to keep as scale. When something is nominal, we can also add in values. And I'm just going to put in 1 is female and 2 is male. I like to keep them alphabetized, so my lowest letter corresponds to my lowest number. And then click OK. If you don't want any decimals, you can get rid of them. But if you need decimals, you can leave them in there. Maybe. Then I'm going to go over to data view down here, and you'll see that my variables are now along the top of my columns. For my subjects, I'm just going to enter in 9 subjects. For my gender, I'm going to put in a series of 1s and 2s. Now remember, only numbers can go in this area. If I wanted to look at the words that I entered in, the female and male, I can click this A to 1 and it will pop them in there. But again, you cannot write the word female here nor the word male. You have to enter in 1s or 2s. And then for my scores, just enter in whatever is on your homework assignment. And then for score 2, just enter it in. That is how you enter in data. To get information for a table for SPSS assignment number 1, I'm going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. Then I'm going to click over the variables that I want to get descriptive statistics on, gender, score 1 and score 2, go under Statistics, and then I'm going to click my measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode. I also want to get some further information, my standard deviation, and if that's squared, my variance, as well as min, max, skew, and kurtosis. And then click Continue and click OK. And here is our output. It gives us a brief piece of output back here and then detailed output down here. We don't need the detailed output for this first assignment. We just need this very first box. So to capture this into a Word document, you click on it, hit Control-C, open up your Word document and hit Control-V and it will paste it right in. And then you have all the information you need to create that APA style table.